Hello children, hope you all are doing well. Children, today I am going to tell you that how we can factorize any algebraic expression by splitting the middle term. Okay, basically this algebraic expressions are trinomial. Okay, so by using the method of splitting the middle term, okay, we can factorize it. So let's see how to do it. So I have taken one example, x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, so we have to factorize it. It means we have to find out the factors of this algebraic expression. Okay, so as this method says that splitting the middle term, it means we have to split the middle term. Okay, so what we are going to do, we have to see that this middle term is 5x. Okay, so how we can write 5x? We can write 5x as 2x plus 3x, isn't it? Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to see that which two factors, okay, we will take, or which two terms we are going to take so that we can get this middle term, and this middle term is 5x. Okay, so 5x can be written as 2x plus 3x. Okay, so we have to just take such terms so that we can get this middle term. So now in place of this 5x we can write x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. Okay, so in place of 5x I have written 2x plus 3x. Now we got total of 4 terms. Okay, now we can pair them up. Okay, so these two terms make one pair and these two terms makes one pair. Okay, now x square plus 2x, this is the first pair. Now we will see what is common here. So we can see that here 2x square is there, it means actually, and here only one x is present, so at least one x we can take common. So I'll take one x as common, and then what we are left with, in this x square we have taken one x as common, so we are left with x plus this 2x. Out of this 2x we have taken x as common, so we are left with 2. Okay, then plus, now see children, 6 can be written as 3 into 2. Okay, so here 3x and here 3 into 2, so 3 is common, so we can take 3, okay, as common, and then what we are left with, we are left with x plus this 3 is taken as common, so we are left with 2. Always remember that whatever common terms or the factors we are getting here in the first pair, the same factor we have to, or we should get in the next pair also. Okay, so here x plus 2 and here also we got x plus 2. So out of this x plus 2 we can take one x plus 2 as common, and then we are left with this. Out of this 2x plus 2 we have taken x plus 2 as common, then we are left with x plus 3. Here we are left with x plus 3. So the factors of the algebraic expression x square plus 5x plus 6 are x plus 2 and x plus 3. Okay, so children, hope you understand this explanation, and if you are following my explanation, then kindly subscribe to the channel and refer my channel and videos to more and more people, and ask them to subscribe as well, and kindly hit the like button. Thank you.